Hello everyone and welcome to prettykelly.net, the news site that teaches cryptocurrency to beginners. Very easy to follow, as you can see from the menu. There's step 1, step 2, and step 3, as well as video instruction to make it as simple as possible. Many people make cryptocurrency out to be very difficult, so a lot of people feel lost, but this site is going to make it extremely easy. And there's so much more in the Pretty Kelly verse. You can check that out on any of my websites to find out other information, websites, and tips that I offer. So if you scroll down, you'll see the Crypto Dictionary. Click this photo. It'll take you here, where you'll find all of the words and terms you've been hearing that might have left you a bit confused. You'll get their definitions along with the sentence to kind of give you a better idea of what it means. Step 1, you're going to see the VPN information, how to get a VPN, and the purpose of using a VPN. Very important. Step 2, you're going to find places for beginners where you can buy cryptocurrency. And finally, step 3, you're going to see information on the type of wallets you can get. And then from there, in the videos, you're going to actually learn how to set up those wallets, as well as many other things that you really need in order to get started the right way. As we scroll down, I'm going to blur the videos because it was just placeholders here, but you'll have video instructions. In the news section, you're going to get all of my tweets. I tweet about 10 times per day, all crypto-related crypto information, tips, tricks, and more. Learn now. If you feel like you're really ready to make some real money in the crypto world, you want to head over to prettykelly.info. That's going to give you the different educational tools, courses, tutorials, and ebooks that will help you in your crypto journey further. If you like this website, it was very simple and helps you with crypto, feel free to donate. All of my wallet addresses that you could donate to are below. Thank you guys so much, and stay tuned for out-of-pocket cryptocurrency.